was just shooting at the beach, the Kross salon once again, the sunrise, because it was on the way to this location. I was just taking my like second image, and then a huge wave came in and it splashed all over my shoes, and the sand got in, and some splashes on my camera. I was a bit worried that the camera would not withstand, because I heard stories that, you know, the Canon 5D series, they might, you know, collapse after some heavy rain or something. That looks much better now, but I think that mess is worth it. I think the image wasn't that bad. Conveniently they place the map here so you don't get lost, and yeah, as you can see, they have some nice glaciers over here, 3 glaciers with names that no one can pronounce. The glacier looks quite massive. I don't know how wide it is, maybe 2 kilometers. And yeah, I think I go here, Nanipa, and there should be somewhere an epic waterfall with the name of Svartifoss, somewhere here, I think. If I would have looked on the map right next to it, I would have seen that Svartifoss is right there. Rocks falling on you. That's nice. I start going as late as possible to evade all the crowds on location, because this is a hotspot for tourism. I'm almost there, promise. It's the next day, and I'm only recording this because the last time at the Svartifoss I had to discard like so much footage because of the wind. It's absolutely annoying. The camera has a setting to set the sensitivity lower of the mic, but I think that didn't help. I set it from 10 to 5 already. The maximum is 30, I think. Why does it have to be windy all the time? As I say, wind, I can feel a little breeze, but I think it's fine. The microphone doesn't look in a dangerous situation. And I looked at the footage, I was really frustrated. Really, I was frustrated. Because then you have this piece of footage, and then there's something missing at the end or at the beginning or wherever. I was having this monologue, and you know, it is necessary to round up the vlog, right? And if it's missing it, then this video just ends like with some footage, and there's no like, why did it end? What the hell? Why is there no goodbye? Right? There was a hello, but there's no goodbye. That's weird. That's why this sucks. Now I'm having this monologue instead. But I think it's always good to have a monologue and talk about something, because it engages with the audience. And I think it's very useful to engage via video with the audience, because if I would just take images, then I would never connect with the audience like on a personal level. Tomorrow I want to drive to a new location. Yeah, a new location. I don't know why I said it like that. It was like a question, but actually it was a statement. So I drive to a new location, and it might be pretty epic. Yeah, I think I will just keep shooting till the sun went down. What I noticed, I'm not sure if that's a thing, but I noticed that on YouTube all these vlogs, they are always on the 10-minute mark, around the 10-minute mark. I don't know if that's a strategy, because somewhere I heard that videos need to be 10 minutes to be very advertisement friendly, right? So I'm wondering if that is really the case, and I always need to aim for those 10 minutes, and if I would have less, if that would be terribly bad. But right now I don't enable any monetization on any of my videos because I just don't have any audience right now. But later on, you know, I can always enable monetization on older videos like this one, which would be ancient by the time I had some audience, I guess. And then those 10 minutes might be of importance. That's why I'm wondering what I need to do with the 10 minutes. Do I always need to talk as much bullshit as needed to fill the 10 minutes? Or are 8 minutes or 6 minutes just as fine as 10 minutes? I don't know if there's some magic to those 10 minutes. Well, I could always add like a buffer, like a black screen at the end, which fills to the 10 minutes. So that would be 10 minutes, and then very advertisement friendly, maybe. I think I recorded enough bullshit by now, so let's call it an end. And I think the light will vanish very soon anyway. But I think there was no wind this time. At least I didn't see much. I feel a little breeze, but I trust the roads as much that I think that didn't cause trouble. And if it did, I will just break that thing in half, or cut the windmuff and axe it and chainsaw it, and I don't know. Maybe I just rotate the camera once more for you so you see the scenery a bit. There you can look, looky. And now I rotate it the other side, past my face, and there you can see the other side. So, and now going back to my ugly face. Yeah, and I think that's it. Sounds like spaceships flying around.